I'm sorry for not able to do it on a proper way, but what I'll try to do is now let it get started. Power BI. So I'll quickly give you a roundup on what we have discussed today. Let this Power BI get handled first. Come on. Okay. So today, especially, uh, we have covered a topic called Power Query. One of the feature of Power Query is being able to uh, transform the data. We'll be able to replicate what we have, what not replicate, but try to trim it, clean the data, condense it. So this sort of a thing we will be able to do. I'll quickly just show how or what we have done. So this is one sort of same example that I'm taking in. So what does this contain? It contains, let me open the Google. So where let this get loaded. Yeah. So what are we trying to do here is I'm trying to take in some sales data and we are trying to load it up in our Power BI chamber. It's not called chamber. What is it called? It's called canvas. The upper portion is, as you all have already known, that this is called as ribbon. And here we are trying to fetch the data using all this sort. Now, mm, once it is loaded up, we'll take one reference. Let's take this column chart and we want to locate. By the way, I was talking about the data model first of all. How does a data model look like and what sort of a thing it is? So I'll just enclose all these things. If you see here, there are one to many relationships. Here, many to one relationship is there. So I know that I'm going a little fast, but if you guys have doubt why this sort of a thing is happening, you can ping me so that we can have a reference. So okay, now so in this one, what I'm trying to do is I'm taking geo into location as my x-axis, and regarding the products, let's say for example the um, amount. So if you see, there are blank values that are coming in, and what I'm trying to do is utilizing what is transform data or Power BI query editor. So if I click on the transform, you will be able to see that hey, this brings up another window and we will be able to locate where it is. So if we see, we got some blanks on region. So this is the geography, and here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to transform the data. So here I'm trying to click trim so that we will get some enhanced version of it, and when I click close and apply, you will be able to see that there are some changes that are going to happen, that blanks are going to get reduced, right? So if you see, this is how typical data looks like. So this is India, this is New Zealand. If you see, all the data from India is largely great. This is one sort of a thing which I wanted to explain. mm, yeah, that's one.